Mermaids. The mythical creatures of the sea have captured the imagination of humans for centuries. Are they real? That is the question that has plagued scientists, explorers, and dreamers alike. Some dismiss them as nothing more than fanciful tales, while others swear they have seen them with their own eyes. I, for one, am a believer. I have spent countless hours poring over ancient texts, studying old maps, and listening to the stories of sailors who claim to have encountered these elusive beings. And let me tell you, the evidence is compelling. There are reports from all corners of the globe of mermaid sightings, from the icy waters of the Arctic to the warm tropical seas of the South Pacific. People have claimed to have seen these half-human, half-fish creatures swimming gracefully through the waves. And while some may dismiss these accounts as mere superstition, I believe there is truth to be found in them. After all, the ocean is vast and largely unexplored. Who's to say what mysteries lie hidden in its depths? And with new species of marine life being discovered all the time, is it so far-fetched to think that mermaids could exist? But it's not just eyewitness accounts that support the existence of mermaids. There is also a wealth of folklore and mythology that speaks of these creatures. From ancient Greek legends of sirens, luring sailors to their doom with their enchanting songs, to the stories of the indigenous peoples of the Americas, who speak of water spirits that take the form of beautiful women with fishtails, the idea of mermaids has been a part of human culture for centuries. And let's not forget the physical evidence. There have been numerous instances of strange creatures washing up on shore that defy classification. Could these be the remains of mermaids that have met an untimely end? It's certainly a possibility. So are mermaids real? In my opinion, the answer is a resounding yes. The evidence, both anecdotal and scientific, is simply too compelling to ignore. And while we may never know for sure until we encounter one ourselves, I will continue to search for the truth and keep the dream of mermaids alive in my heart.